Good evening, everyone present here. I am Saurabh from Software Engineering Research Lab, DICT India, presenting the tool demo work NL2RT, a tool to translate natural language text into requirement templates. This work specifically aims to develop a tool support for automated translation of natural language text into requirement templates. So RTs are nowadays well adopted in the industries to model software requirements for real-time projects and help in improving the quality of requirement specifications. Several researchers use RTs for expressing functional requirements and recommended RTs for specifying the legal requirements. So in this paper, we have developed a prototype to translate natural language text within ERS and RUPP's requirement templates. The prototype also computes 6 quality metric values before and after processing the natural language text into RTs. So RUPP's template. So the first one, RUPP's template, consists of 6 spaces: conditions, the system, degree of obligations, functional activity, object and object details to compose the syntax of a requirement. However, ERS template is used to specify the requirements fulfilling the safety criteria by using the basic syntactic thumb rules, such as when is used for event-driven behavior, while is used for state-driven behavior, if and then is used to handle the failures. So in this work, we have considered only ERS and RUPP's template for the translations. Both of these templates have a correlated and straightforward syntax that would ease the process of translation using natural language processing techniques. We have computed 6 quality matrices, namely duplication, ambiguity, vagueness, readability, wordiness, and understandability. So the NL2RT is a GUI desktop tool, is developed using the Python Tinker library, and linguistic analysis of the text input are carried out using the Spacey library. We have proposed a 2-pass algorithm for extracting and translating natural language requirements into ERS and RUPP's template. So in the first pass, a linguistic analysis is being carried out, where we have identified POS tags and TDs for each of the statements. So much more detail about the first pass and second pass and whatever the set of rules that we have used for identifying the actors, precondition, conditions, response, actor actions are specified in the paper itself. And in the second pass, we are actually restructuring the sentences to form a template specific requirements. So now you can see, suppose if I'm talking about the second pass, how we can restructure. So you can see if no receipt is printed, then an error message is printed. So if this is a statement, so this statement is a conditional statement as identified by the tags, that is adverb mod and mark. So in the second pass, the verb associated with then is printed, and then printed word is stemmed into its base form as print. And then after that, the statement has been restructured as if no receipt is printed, then the system shall print an error message. So this is a statement which is conformance with the RUPP's template, and a similar kind of approach can be followed for ERS. So the source code and artifacts for the NL2RT tool is available in the GitHub link. Right? So if you go to the GitHub link, right, you will get all those set of informations. Right? If you go it here, then you can see here you get to know that how you can install ERS. The source code is available, and then it is developed in Python. So all the problem specifications that we have used in the study has been specified here. So with respect to the demonstration, if you run this tool, then this window will get carried out, right? So this specific window will specify all those set of requirements, and the requirements will be in the form of this way. But right now, we don't have the flexibility to specify the requirements directly or take an input in the tool directly. So we have to copy paste all the requirements by ignoring the FR tags and other set of tags. So only plain text requirements has to be specified here. So I'm just specifying all those set of requirements here. After specifying the requirements, then we have to convert the requirements, and after that it will convert the requirements into ERS and RUPP's template format. And then also it will calculate the quality matrices before the conversion. It means using these requirement descriptions and requirement textual specifications, and then these are the metrics which are converted after this. So all these set of requirements are conformance with the ERS and RUPP's template that has been generated, And then here one can see, so here the value of the matrix is from 0 to 1. So 0 means good and 1 means bad. So if it is close to 0, then I can say that the values has been improved. So here you can see an example related to wordiness. Here you can see related to ambiguity index. Here you can see related to vagueness, right? And so on. So now NL2RT computes the value of quality matrix before and after conversion into RTs. And here you can say that the scores of the matrix range from 0 to 1. And then we have evaluated using 6 different problem specifications. So all those problem specifications are specified in the GitHub link itself. So in order to evaluate the quality that the tool is generating related to the RTs, so we have assumed that the null hypothesis is that there are no significant differences between the value of quality matrix, quality indexes before and after conversion of requirements into RTs. So we have applied a student t-test and found that p-values for all 6 quality matrices are less than 0.05 for the significance level of 0.05. That will give an indication of rejecting the null hypothesis and showed improvement in the quality matrix of requirements after being translated into RTs. So it is already been known that the use of RTs improve the quality of natural language requirements, but the generation of RTs from natural language text is a tedious task to undertake. So this work aims to develop tool support to translate natural language requirements into RTs. Our results revealed significant improvement in the quality of natural language text for all the 6 quality matrices. However, the proposed tool does not work efficiently with complex sentences with more than one conjunction in the sentence. So if it is the case, then we have to break the sentence and then use them in the input. So NL2RT is an initial step towards generating RTs from natural language text, and it has been tested using 16 small scale specifications, and it can be extended in scale by analyzing the accuracy of the translation rules. So we have translation rules in the first pass and second pass, and we can think of implementing other RTs as well, because instead of 2 we have much more RTs, and then incorporating non-functional requirements in the RTs, right, which can significantly improve both the set of requirements, whether it is functional requirements or whether it is non-functional requirements. So thanks for your attention. So if you have any questions, please, I'm happy to answer all those queries. Thank you.